In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Microsoft OneNote notebook. If you've exported a notebook before, or you've downloaded one from somewhere else, importing simply means bringing that notebook back into OneNote so you can keep working with it and, if you want, sync it across your devices. The first and most straightforward method uses a OneNote package file, which has the .1pkg extension. This is the format you get when you export a full notebook from the OneNote desktop app. Start by opening the OneNote desktop app on Windows or Mac. Go to the File menu, choose Open, and on Windows, click Browse, while on Mac, select Open Existing. Navigate to the 1pkg file you previously saved. Select it, then follow the on-screen prompts to import or unpack it. OneNote will create a notebook from that package, restoring its sections and pages, and then open it for you. Once the notebook is open, it's a good idea to save it to OneDrive so it can sync. That way, your content is backed up in the cloud and accessible from other devices or OneNote apps. This method is especially helpful when you're moving notebooks between computers or accounts, or if other cloud-based import options aren't working reliably. A quick tip: make sure you know exactly where you stored the 1pkg file before you start, and don't move or rename it during the import. Let the process finish, and give OneNote a moment to index and sync the new content. If importing the entire notebook as a single file isn't working, particularly with certain school or work accounts that have restrictions, there's a manual approach that gets the job done. Open both your old notebook and a new empty notebook in the OneNote desktop app. In the old notebook, right-click each section tab, choose Move or Copy, and select the new notebook as the destination. Repeat this for each section until everything you need has been moved or copied over. Selecting Copy keeps the original intact, which is helpful if you're being cautious. Choosing Move is handy when you're consolidating and want a single master notebook. This method doesn't import a whole notebook file in one go, but it effectively recreates the notebook's content inside a notebook you control, and it's often more reliable when the full import isn't available. After you're done, give OneNote time to sync, then open the notebook on another device to verify everything looks right. With these two approaches, you can confidently bring your OneNote notebooks back to life and keep your work organized and accessible.